pool, water shining past the kitchen. Every morning breaks the rules. No federal tax on the paycheck, more room for a Saturday. I grab my paddle, check the tackle, and let the good life pull me away. From the dock behind my house to the old boat ramp down the road, everybody waves when they pass. Everybody helps when you need a hand to hold. Life is good in Florida. Come on down and stay a while. Pool at home and a kayak waiting, fishing in the backyard with a big old smile. Neighbors welcome you like family, love each other come what may. Life is good in Florida, and we thank the Lord for another beautiful day. My neighbor brought a basket of oranges, I brought him fillets from the bay. His little girl is chasing bubbles while the kids race down the way. We talk about the weather and the water, and whose boat needs a little repair. Then the sunset finds the whole block laughing with a cooler and a folding chair. There's a breeze across the land, and a heron standing by the reeds. You can keep your hurry and your worry. This is all the kind of life we need.
What if the water you've been dreaming of was in your own backyard? Welcome to 451 Sharon Circle, a waterfront pool home in Port Charlotte, Florida. Some homes are shelter. This one is therapy. Morning coffee on your own dock, with the Gulf breeze for company. Launch the kayaks and paddleboards, direct access to Charlotte Harbor and the Gulf. Florida has no state income tax, and sunshine, 265 days a year. Sun-filled living spaces, made for gathering. Dinners that turn into game nights. Air hockey. Ping pong. Belly laughs. A bright, fully equipped kitchen, made for real life. Inside, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, sleeping 8 in total comfort. With room for the whole crew, or the whole family. Your private screened pool, a brand new cage, and a sparkling new finish. Swim by day, and watch the sun melt into the canal by night. Beaches, boating, golf, and fisherman's village, just 10 minutes away. You've worked your whole life. This is what it was for. Remote worker. Retiree. Snowbird. Investor. This home fits every one of them. Rent it for a season, or own it for life. Vacation rentals here stay in demand, year-round. See the full listing on Zillow, and book your tour today. The water is calling.